Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're gonna just do the R9 on this Ford Ranger. So we're doing R9 on the windshield and the back glass. So the back glass, you know, is one piece. It's just sliding, manual, so no problems at all. So we're gonna use the power pump over here in the back with the Ninja. So next time already is because I have a lot of work, so I didn't have time to print a new anchors. It's the same like these guys, but it's the anchor, so it's more smaller, and I don't have to use this guy anymore. So for the back glass, I'm gonna use the Happy Fits. That's why we put the name, remember? One is going here. That's gonna hold the glass if the case wants to fall inside the truck. Now the second one. Okay, that's fixed up. Alright. I need to buy a new one. That's from GD. I need that one is stopped Amazon, I hope so. Now we're using the back glass for the power pump. We're gonna remove the windshield with the Ninjas for the manual pump, and my anchor arcs because we're gonna remove the windshield. I don't want the glass just fall inside. So, and for remove the glass, I mean to pull it out and put it back on, I'm gonna use the setup tool. So I got my arm suction cups, my arm handles over here, so everything is ready to do it. So let me just get another tool over here. It's this guy. Let me get my drill somewhere up here, and let me get a new glove because this one is tearing apart. Let me get this guy. You saw that glue P2G, huh? That's for the cheap customers, because everybody wants cheap. We got cheap, but I told them don't move the car for the next 10 hours. I don't care if it's only 1 or 2, but I don't want they move it. All right, so let me go start from here. Let's do the front windshield. All right, so everything needs to go. We're gonna start probably here. I'm not gonna remove the mirror, except for the mirror, because the rest I might just leave it like that. Where's my anchor? I always love this son of a bitch. I'm sorry for the word, but I hate it. I don't buy more WRDSU because, man, I lost probably 10 of these guys, and I'm done. I don't want to do that anymore. So, but it's not a big deal. We'll let my players. This one's really cool. I saw a guy on Facebook, Palencia, I think it's Palencia. It's very nice. I didn't remember see this one when I saw it. I bought it in Amazon. And it's more easy and clean. All right. So let's start with the windshield. First of all right, I'm gonna sound this corner. But before that, let me anchor this guy. Watch the controls. Right there. Sorry, I set everything on, and it's more than 20 minutes or more, so that's why the suction cups coming. They start coming back. I'm gonna order another U from WRD, but I mean I lost too many. I'm gonna make my own. Okay, sorry. So we start doing the corner first. Remember, sometimes I start in the middle, but not this time. So the corner, you could go in the middle, corners, both on the same side, on the same size of the pillar. That's the clip. Okay. Now we can continue what I told you before. We can go this point. Just watch for all these controls over here. Probably that's enough. Okay. That's pumps. Sometimes you have to do it slowly, but they don't do that. Oh yeah, that's for anyway. angle, we don't make any problems. Watch the wire. I'm not tearing, okay, just a little pull. Alright, now let me see here. Alright, now I'm gonna anchor this guy. That's too far, okay, because we're far away from the corner, so what we're doing is go straight. That's gonna help a lot the cap, because you go and angle, it's too much. You see, that's the difference. So when you have a problem with this turn, just go straight. When you have more angle, well, now you can do it. At this point, right here. Now remember, we're still carrying this clip. It's right here. Let's go. There you go. Right there. Now, if you want to help this guy, you can go this way, this way. In my opinion, it's more easy because we got the clip right there. So we're gonna go using the same guys over here to help to anchor this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Man, this is the problem with these pumps. Okay, all the times they have a problems to pump. So what I did in the next video, I did something here. So I'm gonna show you the plug. You can just take. I'm gonna show you how to convert this guy and a pump without take this one off. Okay, so because I'm having problems with these pumps all the time. That's the only I don't like. But these ones are used. I have this one for a long time from another WRD system, and they help you to finish the cat. Okay. Right there, okay, and that's all. So the glass is not falling down because we got the arc clamps on the top, okay, and right there. So soon I take the back glass, I'm gonna set my setting tool over here. Let me see where's that. Oh, right here. So the same way, and this suction cup works with the same WRD system, so you can use it over there, over here. Okay. Remember, we're taking this one. We do the same thing. We go over here on the suction cup, over here, and you can adjust the tool using the same of this guy. You can just move it on the directions to have the right angle. So remember, this one's hook here, and this guy, the only you're gonna do is probably right here. And that's it. So I can go more, rise this one more. Just give you an example, and that's all. So you got the tool, pick it off, go around, and finish the job. Okay, so let me just pull the back glass and I'll show you that one next. Alright, there you go. So let me finish the back glass and we come back over here. Alright, so let's go back there.